Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is a Gemini June the 21st, no, to June the 23rd. Yan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo po ay nag-release, no, ng bagong video. So Gemini, kung gusto niyo pong kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Gemini, sumali na rin po kayo sa ating live sessions. No, you're very much welcome. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin po, no? Gemini. Ayan. Ang nakikita ko dito, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang relasyon, no? Gemini, hindi pa ito ang sinasabi nating finish ending ng story ninyo. I feel like marami pang pagsubok, marami pang time, no? I think that you may be in a connection na parang sabihin natin roller coaster, no? Siguro ang daming, it's either mahaba na yung time na pinagsamahan ninyo and parang routine yung nangyayari. Away, bate, no? Away, bate, tapos magkakaroon ng resolution, reconciliation. Baka ito na ang pinaka matagal na separations ninyo. No, separation can be physical or energetic. No? Physical, let's say the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Pwedeng nasa kabilang barangay, baryo, distant ang pinag-uusapan. Energetic separations, ito po yung hindi nag-uusap, hindi masyadong sabihin natin nagpapansinan, no? Hindi po masyadong sabihin natin dito na nakikita man kayo, pero kahit yung batian ng tunguan, no, hindi dahil may sama ng loob. Ayan. Pero feeling ko, kahit ganun pa man yung nangyayari, willing pa rin naman. Either this is a mirrored energy o yung isa lang, merong gusto na mag-ayos pa rin tayo, no? With the 10 of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the 10 of Cups. Ang hirap kasi, lalo na doon sa mga nandito na sa relasyon, no, whether it is sinagot na, officially kayo na, or meron ng asawa, anak, no? Ang hirap kasi hanapin yung bakit dati, no, generous ka naman magbigay ng time, energy, effort. So anong nangyari? Anong nagkulang? Anong nagawa ko? Bakit tinamad? Lumamlam, no? Itong sabihin nating relasyon na ito. With the 8 of Swords and the 4 of Pentacles. Bakit parang also feeling ko nasasakal ako, no, masyado sa either mga demands, sa mga gustong mangyari, to a point, baka to the extent na hindi tayo pinapalabas, no? Doon naman po sa mga, I need to butt this in kasi lumabas siya, lalo na doon sa mga incarcerated po yung mga partners nila, no? Ibig sabihin nakakulong. Hindi natin siguro masyadong pinagbibisita or bakit hindi ako nabibisita nung may tampo, no? So meron ng distance. I need to butt this in kasi lumabas po siya. with the Ten of Cups, no? Bakit parang hindi ko nararamdaman yung dating init, no? Yung dating welcoming, no? Na parang pakiramdam na dati-dati kapag, meron kaming ganitong event, no? Or ganitong araw, may ginagawa kami, nasaan na, no? With the King of Swords and the Empress. Ako, parang merong pagsiselos dito, no? Well, that's one of the challenges also, etong relasyon na ito, mahigpit sa sobrang pagsiselos. Mahigpit, uy, nagbablur siya, no? Bakit? Ayan. So, um, mahigpit dahil ayaw niya na masyadong madaming lumalapit sa'yo. I'm seeing angel number 555. Comment below, no? Doon po sa mga into numbers, no? What is the meaning of angel number 555? Ang nakikita ko kasi gwardyado, no? Masyadong mahigpit si person, masyadong nakakasakal, masyadong madaming demand. Ayaw niya na merong kausap ka, no? Madami siyang pinagseselosan. With the queen, lalo na pagkausap, no? Parang merong sense of ownership, no? Sa akin ka lang. Walang ibang magmamay-ari sa'yo, no? Walang ibang pwedeng kumausap sa'yo. To a point na parang pinagdadamot ka niya even sa family, no? And that's actually actually, ang dami ng challenges, no? Kumbaga nagpapatong-patong. I think that your person is too much of, demanding, or too much of, let's sabihin natin, obsessed, no? Kay Gemini. That also hurt you. Wala ka bang tiwala sa akin? No, yun yung mga tanong. I think that what I am seeing in here, communication is really the key when it comes to, kasi yung isa nasasaktan na, no? Kasi yung isa is more of sinasabi niya na hindi ko na kaya yung ganitong pagtrato, no? To a point na gusto ko nang humiwalay kasi nasasakal na, no? With the Hangman and the Two of Pentacles. So I think that love is wini-weigh na natin, no? Is love enough for me to be in this so-called relationship, or is love too much, for me to handle this kind of pressure? And what I am seeing in here is you are gauging, whether it is I'm going to stay in the connection or leave the person, no? What I am seeing in here, I think that temporary separation is needed, no? I think these connection needs to breathe a little, no? Get some fresh air, no? Kaya sinasabi ko na this is not the end of the connection kasi nakakasakal, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person, Gemini. Now, this might be their sun sign, or this could be a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius, Virgo, no? I'm seeing Libra, Pisces. Yan. So this is your reading, Gemini. And again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po siya, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And marami po tayong reading doon. So take advantage of looking at it. Nasa playlist din po. Ngayon, pwede naman po kayong magtanong sa comment section dito sa YouTube, hindi po sa TikTok, dito po sa YouTube. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Gemini, kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no, there is a link. Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my page or website. No, nandun po yung information, modes of payment, how much is it, the drop downs, a combination of 1, 2, 3 questions, and we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1 that's discounted price. And if you want to avail no ang ating private reading, nandun po yan sa description box. So Gemini, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.